Welcome to World Meaty Channel. In a historic achievement for the Manipuri community across the globe, the Manipuri film Boong has emerged as a shining symbol of cultural pride, artistic excellence, and global recognition. The film's success has not only made the people of Manipur proud, but has also brought honor to India on the international stage. Farhan Akhtar, backed Manipuri film Boong, wins a BAFTA award, first for India this year. The film is supported by acclaimed actor-producer Farhan Akhtar, adding further prestige to this remarkable achievement. Boong is a 2024 Indian Manipuri language coming-of-age drama film written and directed by Lakshmi Priya Devi. It stars Gugun Kipgen, Bala Hijam, Angom Sanamatum, Vikram Kochar, Nemetia Nangbam, Jenny Kurai, and Hamom Sadanand. The film had its world premiere at the Discovery section of the Toronto International Film Festival on the 5th of September 2024. At the British Academy of Film and Television Arts Awards, it won Best Children's and Family Film, marking a historic milestone as the first Indian film to receive this honor. Boong beautifully showcases the rich traditions, emotions, and storytelling heritage of Manipur, reflecting the unique identity of the Manipuri people. From its powerful narrative to its authentic portrayal of local life, the film has touched audiences far beyond regional boundaries. Manipuris living across different parts of the world have expressed immense joy and pride, calling the film a cultural milestone. Community leaders say the success of Boong proves that regional cinema can carry universal messages and compete globally while preserving indigenous roots. Film critics have praised the movie for its originality, strong performances, and meaningful storytelling. Many believe that Boong will open new doors for Manipuri artists, technicians, and filmmakers, encouraging greater investment and attention towards cinema from the Northeast. For decades, Manipuri cinema has quietly nurtured talent despite limited resources. The recognition of Boong is therefore being celebrated not just as the success of a film, but as the triumph, encouraging greater investment and attention towards cinema from the Northeast. For decades, Manipuri cinema has quietly nurtured talent despite limited resources. The recognition of Boong is therefore being celebrated not just as the success of a film, but as the triumph of an entire community's resilience and creativity. Across social media, congratulatory messages continue to pour in, with many describing the film as a moment when the voice of Manipur resonated across the world. Boong stands today as a proud cultural ambassador, making India proud and filling the hearts of Manipuris everywhere with honor and hope. Thank you for watching World Meaty Channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates.